Living and non-living things. Things which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. Living things can also feel emotions like fear, anger, and happiness. They need food and water. After growing and living for a long time, living things ultimately die. Living things are humans, animals, and plants. Non-living things. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called non-living things. Living things. Living things use their legs to move. Animals use their legs to move. Also, animals without legs can crawl, slide, and swing their body to move. Plants also show some movements, like sunflower flows the direction of sun. Grow. A baby grows into a child and child grows into a man. A calf grows into a cow. A seed grows into a plant and which then grows into a huge tree. Food. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Plants make their own foods using water, air, and sunlight. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe in with fresh air and using their lungs, while plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Living things produce, like woman gives birth to a baby, cow gives birth to a calf. On the other hand, man-made things are non-living things, like bag, chair, mobile, and car. Some are natural things like sun, moon, rock, and planets.